This is the Freescape Camp Saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape Camp Saw.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the eTech City Water Filter Straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
Hi, I'm Eugene.
And I'm Vladimir. We are founders of Evapolar.
At some point, we've all felt uncomfortable due to the hot weather. Even if room is equipped with air conditioner, the cooling engine often can't cope.
And of course, each of us wants to set the temperature comfortable for himself.
We discussed this and came up with the idea of creating a personalized solution. We created EvaPolar, the world's first portable air conditioner designed for personal use. It can be used to enjoy cool and moist air exactly where you need it.
EvaPolar achieves this cooling effect the same way air is cooled in nature, by water evaporation, creating this natural breeze that cools your body gently. It's a very safe and reliable cooling principle, unlike the one used in conventional air conditioners that can easily give you a cold or flu.
As the major element in making EvaPolar, we used the specially developed high-tech evaporative material. It consists of mineral nanofibers. Although it has a simple look, the inner structure is complex. This material allowed us to take a fresh look on a conventional air conditioner and exclude anything that makes it bulky. It was also very important for us to develop a material that is not only safe to use, but absolutely eco-friendly.
EvaPolar was made to naturally fit the interior design, be it in the office, at home, or any other place you need it. Think of your personal comfort here. Finally, you can get rid of things that are cluttering up your space and control climate around you by yourself.
EvaPolar is very easy to use. All you need to do is to fill the removable water tank, select the desired power, and relax as you feel cool within a short time. It is noiseless and does not vibrate. This will help you to focus on what is really important for you.